beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make hidden paper clip, and for this tutorial I'm going to use some scraps that I had from one previous project that I made. The name of this project was multi pockets flip. So they look like this. I can remember it. I'm going to put a link somewhere or in the description box or somewhere in my video, so you can see it. So for this project, this project, I had to use those window envelopes. So since they were in a specific size that I wanted, as you can see, I had to trim this part here, the upper part. So I'm going to use, as you can see here, I'm going to use this upper part. And from this upper part I'm going to make hidden paper clip, and also with those hidden paper clips I'm going to make two mini pockets that are hidden, as well as this paper clip. And as you can see, they look very beautiful, because only you know that there is secret pockets inside these paper clips. So let me just show you the paper clip, and let's imagine that this is it looks very beautiful, very gorgeous, because I wanted to make it in rust, this kind of vintage mixed media rust style. So I hope that you are going to enjoy this video. First thing first, please subscribe for my channel and like this video. Also watch the rest of my videos, because you're going to find them very useful and like them as well. So as I said, if you made my previous if you make my previous project with those multi pockets, I'm going to show them again. Probably you have those trims, and I said in this video, I don't remember that I said it, I think that I said it actually, that I was going to make project, but something came up last week and I wasn't able to do this project. So this week I'm going to make it. So I came up only with this trim because I make only two envelopes. I cut only two envelopes. So I'm going to make the second one, and I'm going to show you how it's going to look. Let me sit. It's going to be very easy. I'm going to use normal paper clips, a smaller one. In my previous video I used 50 millimeters paper clip. This one is normal, and I'm going to use cardboard. Oops. This cardboard is from one of my project that I used, and that is available in my Etsy shop. Which one I don't remember, because everything is trim, but I'm going to use this paper because I don't want to throw it away, and it's white. So if you have such scrap paper like cardboard, use it. Go ahead and use it, don't throw it away, because you won't need to destroy new one. So basically I'm trying to make the size of the trim from those envelopes that I have. And this part is important to make it like this. I'm going to explain why. Okay, everything is good. So now next step is when I already cut my scrap paper, I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to put one of those paper clips here, like that. Next step is that I'm going to glue this part here. Let me just take my glue. And I'm going to fold it like I fold this one. I'm sorry, in this direction. Like I fold this one here. And slowly, probably you get the idea what I'm going to do. That's right, I'm going to glue those papers together. Of course, I'm going to trim in the process the axis of those papers. So first I'm going to glue this part here, and I want my two pockets while folding to be from the right side. Of course, if you want them to be from the left side, you have to fold it on the back, but I would like to be them on the right side. Like this, I am able to have those two hidden pockets here. Let me just, where is the, yes, there it is. As you can see, they're here and they won't run away. Okay, let me just glue first this part here. I know it looks strange, but it works. It looks very, very beautiful. Especially if you decorate it with a lot of papers or fabrics and make it colorful or vintage, it's going to look amazing. And with those small hidden pockets, it's fantastic for junk journals or any kind of craft projects. Now I'm gluing this part here. As you can see, I'm gluing only the back of the paper where is my paper clip. I'm not gluing it down, because from this place here I need this place to not be glue, because I wanted to put it like that on my journal or any kind of project that I need. Okay, everything is glued completely. So as I said, not on the left side, on the right side. I would like them to be on the right side. Okay, and I'm going to start putting some scraps that I have here and there, so I could decorate it. This is my favorite paper, vintage paper. Let me put back all of the scraps that I... Okay, so next step is I'm taking my distressing. I would like to distress the side that I'm going to like that. That is going to be with the face towards me. Of course, you can decorate this part too, but I'm going to decorate only this one here, and I'm going to use bandage for decoration. Cut a little bit of this. It's a very old one, so if you have it, use it. I'm going to put it somewhere here. And for the rust, I'm going to use liquid rust. I'm going to show you. And I'm going to use those beautiful pendants that I have. And I'm going to glue it. As always, I put a lot of glue. I'm always doing this. Okay. What else? Let me just close my glue, because I don't need it any longer. And I'm going to use this liquid rust, which is very, very, very useful. As you can see, it's on pen art. I'm going to put it randomly here and there. And it is done, so I just need to wait to completely dry the rust. But I have my pockets here, so as I showed you on this one here, we have those beautiful pockets from that side, the right side. Yes, and if you have such small tags here, you can put them, or small sentiments, or whatever you think of, small notes probably. It's going to look very beautiful. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was short. Let me just check it. Yes, it was short. So one more time, please subscribe for my channel. Also watch the rest of my videos, and this one here that I made it, and like this video, and I wish you an amazing day, of course, and inspiration from the nature and the people around you. So see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys.